The Pentagon just dropped a bombshell, introducing the Super F-22, a radical evolution of America's air dominance legend. This isn't just another aircraft, it's a game-changer in the world of aviation. While the world focused on sixth-generation fighters, the Air Force unveiled a reimagined Raptor, familiar yet shockingly advanced. It's a blend of the past and the future, a testament to innovation. This isn't a simple upgrade, it's a complete transformation, a leap forward in technology and capability. The Super F-22 is a black project, pushing the original airframe far beyond its limits. It's shrouded in secrecy, yet its impact is undeniable. Designed to bridge today's fleet and tomorrow's NGAD, it fuses the Raptor's DNA with next-gen tech once thought impossible. This fusion creates a formidable force in the skies. The July 2025 reveal sent shockwaves through the defense world. The king of the skies isn't stepping down. Instead, it's rising to new heights. The Super F-22 signals America's intent. Today's air power is more lethal than ever. It's a clear message to allies and adversaries alike. It's a testament to the original Raptor's robust design, now supercharged for a new era. The enhancements are not just cosmetic, they redefine performance. Instead of retiring the F-22, the Air Force chose evolution, taking their best and making it exponentially better. This decision reflects a commitment to excellence. The Super F-22 isn't just about keeping an edge, it's about expanding it, ensuring U.S. pilots own the sky for decades to come. It's about securing the future. This bold move turns a multi-billion-dollar investment into something extraordinary for the modern era. It's a strategic leap forward, redefining air superiority. To grasp the Super F-22's impact, you have to understand the legend it builds on. The F-22A Raptor, entering service in 2005, shattered every standard for fighter jets. It fused stealth, supercruise, agility, and advanced avionics, making it untouchable in the air. In exercises, it racked up kill ratios of 100, one against top fourth-gen fighters. Pilots describe it as an extension of their will, with unmatched first look, first shot, first kill capability. But the Raptor's story is also one of missed potential high costs, capped production at just 187 jets. Its systems, revolutionary in their day, now face the relentless march of technology. Yet, the F-22 remains the ultimate air-to-air champion, its presence alone deterring adversaries. The Super F-22 takes this proven platform, fixes its few flaws, and prepares it for the next 30 years. The king isn't dead, it's getting a new suit of armor and a sharper sword. The legend continues, stronger than ever. At first glance, the Super F-22 might look like the iconic Raptor we know, but beneath the surface, every detail has been meticulously re-engineered for absolute air dominance. This isn't just a simple update, it's a comprehensive transformation that touches every aspect of the jet's design and performance. Its new radar-absorbent skin is not only tougher and more durable, but it's also designed to defeat a wider range of enemy radars. This advanced coating slashes maintenance time, keeps the jet mission ready longer, and pushes stealth capabilities to the next level, making it even harder to detect and track. The enlarged weapon bays now accommodate longer-range missiles and a wider variety of munitions, giving pilots more options in combat. Extra internal fuel tanks extend its operational reach, allowing the Super F-22 to strike farther and stay in the fight longer, all while maintaining its sleek, stealthy profile without the drag of external tanks. Flush-mounted sensors and antennas are seamlessly integrated into the fuselage, providing the pilot with 360-degree situational awareness. This not only shrinks the jet's radar signature, but also gives it a technological edge in detecting threats from any direction. Step inside the cockpit, and you'll find a complete transformation. A panoramic touchscreen display and a next-generation helmet-mounted system put the entire battle space at the pilot's fingertips. Information is clearer, faster, and more intuitive than ever before, reducing workload and boosting effectiveness in high-stress scenarios. At the heart of it all is a revolutionary mission computer processing vast amounts of data at speeds unimaginable when the Raptor first took flight. This digital brain fuses information from every sensor, giving pilots a real-time, crystal-clear picture of the battle space. All these upgrades work together seamlessly, delivering more stealth, more firepower, greater range, and a pilot interface built for the demands of the digital battlefield. The Super F-22 is not just improved, it's reimagined for the challenges of tomorrow's air combat. This jet is the product of 2 decades of hard-earned lessons. Every weakness has been addressed, every strength amplified, and every system refined. The Super F-22 stands as a testament to relentless innovation and the pursuit of air superiority. It's not just an upgrade, it's a masterclass in turning a legend into something profoundly new. The Super F-22 is a leap forward, redefining what's possible in a 5th-generation fighter. The Raptor is reborn for a new era of air combat, ready to dominate the skies for years to come. At the heart of the Super F-22 is a revolutionary propulsion system. New adaptive cycle engines, likely from the Air Force's AETP, deliver both high thrust and fuel efficiency. The result? Super cruise above Mach 2, no afterburners needed, and a top speed well over Mach 2.5. These engines make the Super Raptor faster, more agile, and able to dictate any engagement. They're also massive power generators, supporting advanced radar, electronic warfare, and even future directed energy weapons. This more electric architecture enables all the jet's next-gen systems. The Super F-22 can climb, turn, and accelerate with unmatched energy, crucial for survival in a dogfight. Raw power, advanced avionics, and stealth combine to make it the undisputed master of the skies. The Super Raptor is a leap ahead in both speed and capability. If the engines are the heart, then the Super F-22's new mission computer is truly its brain, an advanced digital core that orchestrates every move the jet makes. This computer is not just a processor, it's the nerve center, handling everything from flight controls to weapons management, and even communications with other aircraft. Gone is the closed architecture of the original. In its place, an open system now allows for rapid upgrades, much like adding new apps to a smartphone. This means the F-22 can quickly adapt to new missions or threats, simply by updating its software rather than waiting for costly hardware overhauls. This future-proofs the jet, letting it evolve as threats change and technology advances. Engineers can now implement new capabilities in weeks or months, not years, keeping the Super F-22 at the cutting edge of aerial warfare. At the center of this digital revolution is a powerful AESA radar, able to scan, jam, and share data all at once. It's like having a set of superhuman senses, detecting enemy aircraft, tracking missiles, and even disrupting enemy communications in real time. A 360-degree distributed aperture system gives the pilot real-time vision in every direction, eliminating blind spots and providing unmatched situational awareness. The pilot can see threats from any angle, day or night, and respond instantly. Advanced sensor fusion technology combines radar, DAS, electronic warfare, and off-board data into a single, clear battlespace picture. Instead of juggling multiple screens and streams of information, the pilot gets one unified view, making split-second decisions easier and more accurate. The pilot is freed from data overload, able to focus on tactics, not screens. This streamlined interface means less time spent interpreting data, and more time spent dominating the skies. The Super F-22 is now a key node in the military's JDC-2 network, acting as a quarterback in the sky. It doesn't just fight, it leads, directing other aircraft, drones, and even ground forces with real-time information. It gathers intelligence, coordinates with other assets, and uses its advanced electronic warfare suite to protect the entire force. The Super F-22 can jam enemy radars, relay targeting data, and even control unmanned wingmen, all while staying one step ahead of the opposition. No longer a lone wolf, the Super Raptor is a true force multiplier, making every asset around it more effective, and turning a group of jets into a synchronized, unstoppable team. This digital leap transforms the F-22 from a solo hunter to the leader of the pack, guiding and empowering allied aircraft in the most complex air battles. The future of air combat is networked, and the Super F-22 is built for it, ready to command, connect, and conquer in the battle space of tomorrow. The Super F-22's new weapons bay is a game-changer. It carries next-gen missiles like the AIM-260JTM, striking targets far beyond the reach of any rival. Expanded bays and smarter software mean it can deliver a wider array of air-to-ground munitions without losing stealth. It's now a true multi-role fighter, able to strike high-value targets on day one of a conflict. Future upgrades will add directed energy weapons, using its immense electrical power to disable missiles or blind sensors. The Super Raptor can fight its way in, destroy critical targets, and fight its way out, undetected. It's a silver bullet for any high-end contingency. Stealth was the Raptor's signature, and the Super F-22 takes it to the next level. All-aspect broadband stealth means it's nearly invisible from any angle, even to low-frequency radars. Its new skin absorbs a wider range of radar waves and is far more durable. Infrared signature is slashed with cooler engines and redesigned exhausts, making it harder to spot with heat-seeking sensors. An advanced electronic warfare suite jams and deceives enemy radars, adding active protection to passive stealth. The Super F-22 can penetrate the world's toughest air defenses and return home safely. In an era of anti-access strategies, this level of stealth isn't a luxury, it's survival. The Raptor remains a ghost in the enemy's sky. The Super F-22 redefines air dominance on the global stage. Russia's Su-57 and China's J-20 were built to counter the original Raptor, but the Super Raptor moves the goalposts. With superior speed, stealth, and sensor fusion, it's a generation ahead of any rival. 4 Super Raptors can operate as a single, distributed fighting machine, outthinking and outmaneuvering any opponent. For US strategy, it's a powerful deterrent and the tip of the spear in any conflict. The Super F-22 opens the door for the rest of the force, dismantling enemy defenses with impunity. It's not just an upgrade, it's a strategic game-changer. The skies belong to the Raptor once again. The Super F-22 is more than a technical marvel. It's a statement of American resolve. By doubling down on its most dominant fighter, the Air Force bridges the gap to the 6th generation, while ensuring unmatched air superiority. Next-gen engines, sensor fusion, a revolutionary cockpit, expanded armament, and all-aspect stealth make it peerless. For pilots, it's the ultimate tool. For allies, a symbol of reassurance. For adversaries, a sobering challenge. The Super F-22 complicates enemy planning and forces them back to the drawing board. It's a strategic deterrent, proving that even legends can be reborn. The Raptor still reigns supreme, and the world has been put on notice.